In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links as attachments in Trello cards. If you're new to Trello or just looking to get more organized, attaching links to your cards is a simple yet powerful way to keep all your important resources, references, and tools in one place. Whether you're managing a project, collaborating with a team, or just organizing your personal tasks, knowing how to seamlessly add links to your Trello cards can save you time and keep your workflow smooth. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to www.trello.com. Once the page loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Login button. Now sign in using your email and password, or if it's more convenient, you can use a trusted provider like Google or Microsoft to log in. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. From here, identify the board where you want to add a link. Click to open that specific board. Within the board, locate the card you want to work with. Once you've found it, click on the card to open its details. Inside the card details panel, look for the attachment option. You'll usually find it listed among the card actions or tools. Go ahead and click on the attachment option, and this will open a menu for adding attachments. Now paste the URL you want to attach directly into the link field. Make sure the link begins with either HTTP or HTTPS, as this ensures it will be recognized and work properly. After pasting your link, confirm the action by clicking either Insert or Attach depending on the button your interface displays. Once you've done this, the link should appear in the attachment section of the card, often with a clickable preview. Check to make sure the preview is loading correctly. If it doesn't show up right away, simply refresh the card panel and it should appear. Now, if you want to edit the name of the link for clarity or customization, look for the Edit option next to the attachment. This allows you to rename the link without changing the actual URL. And if you ever need to remove an incorrect link, simply use the Remove option. This will delete the link while leaving the rest of the card's content intact. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can easily attach links to your Trello cards and keep your resources right where you need them. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.